In this video, I'll show you how to post multiple photos or videos on Instagram in one post. Let's get started. Instagram allows you to add up to 20 photos or videos in a single post, and it only takes a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the top or bottom of your screen. Now, make sure Post is selected from the bottom menu. This will open your phone's gallery. To add multiple photos, tap on the Select Multiple option. Once enabled, you can choose multiple photos or videos from your gallery. You can select up to 20 items in a single post. Make sure to tap them in the exact order you want them to appear. After selecting your photos, tap Next at the top. Now you can edit your post. You can apply filters, adjust brightness, add text, or even include music, depending on your options.
Take your time and customize everything the way you like. Once you're done editing, tap Next.
Now write a caption, tag people, and add a location if you want. When everything looks good, tap Share. Instagram will upload your photos as a swipeable post. And that's it. You've successfully posted multiple photos or videos in a single Instagram post. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.